Hey everybody, Taz on comms. The purpose of this video is just to point out something with the sound that I've noticed over the years. Not really a critical feature, but it is something that does affect the realism of the sound for those flying the airplanes anyway. So here, about 20,000 feet, 110 knots indicated, and I've turned off the engine, and what you hear is the slipstream, or that is to say the air flowing around the cockpit of the airplane. So now when I lower the nose, and the airspeed builds up, and the sound should be increasing as that speed increases. But as we see that when I lower the nose to near vertical or vertical dive, it almost goes away, even though the airspeed's wrapped around going through almost 300 knots now. So now as I bring the nose up, you see the sound increases. Okay, at this higher speed, I'm going to bring it up over into a simple loop, and as it comes up, the airspeed, well, we have two things: the pitch is going up, and the airspeed is decreasing. Okay, that's good. And now as it comes back down, okay, the airspeed was almost at 0. So there we are, pointed straight down again, and there's still no noise. Okay, very slight noise, even though that speed is once again wrapped up to about 260 knots. I'm going to bring the nose back up to the horizon, and this sound is now quite loud, how it should be. It should have stayed loud throughout that entire dive, and even increased substantially during the dive. Just do another split S here, bring it back down to show you, and as I come pointing straight down, the sound goes away once the pitch comes back up again. Then the sound increases. There you go. So the sound, really, the volume level of the sound should increase relative to the increasing airspeed. But I've noticed that it does seem to be tied more towards the pitch of the attitude of the airplane relative to the horizon. When the nose is on the horizon, that's when you're going to get your loudest noise. When it's pointed straight up and straight down, the noise just about goes away. Now, somebody else did mention that this sound is not only from the cockpit, but also they think it's if you're on the ground listening to an airplane, that it will not be heard as it's diving in straight in. There you go. Hope this helps. Hope you enjoyed the video.